Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'll be showing you how to install Tailwind CSS in your React project. So first, let's head to Tailwind CSS official site. So this is tailwindcss.com and I'm in their documentation page on how to create a React app with Tailwind CSS. So since I already have my React app installed, I already have a React app running presently. This is what I have. There is nothing else. It's just using the normal index.css file here, and I want to use more tailwind.css. So I already did my npx push react and seed it into my React project. So the next step is to copy this into my terminal. So I'm going to come here and paste this into my terminal. Okay, since I have all of that installed, the next instruction is that I should go to my tailwind.config.js file. So this is my tailwind.config.js file and copy this. So I'm just going to copy this and add this part. So instead of adding them manually, I'll just like grab all of this so I don't miss out on anything when I'm trying to copy. Then do this. The next instruction says that you should add Tailwind directives to your CSS. So I'm going to copy this and put in my index.css file. Index.css. Okay. So I'm just going to put this at the top of my CSS file. Okay. Next instruction says that I should run npm start. So I'm just going to run npm start. I already have one running, so let me just close this and run it again. So I have it running. I mistakenly closed that tab, so I had to open it back again. And the next instruction says that we should try this out in our app.js. So I'm going to copy this. Oh no, I don't need to copy all of that. So let me just copy this my h1 and put it in my app.js. Okay. So instead of having all of this logo header, I could just cut all of this out and replace it with this. If I want the color to be, let's say blue, this is Tailwind colors. So let's say I want the color to be black. Let me just use this. Okay, it's black already, so let me make it blue. Can you see that it has changed? So we've successfully installed Tailwind CSS to our React project. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to see the video of how I changed my favicon from the default React icon to this, I'll leave the description to the video where I explain how this was done. Please do remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.